For opening my mouth, I feel really repented. So ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କହୁଛି ତାର ସେ କଥା କହୁଛି ବାସ୍ତବିକ ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ବୋକା ଥିଲି, ଗୋଟେ କୁଆ ଥିଲି. I was a fool to believe your lie. ତମର ମିଛ କଥାକୁ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ କରି I closed my eyes instead of opening. ମୁଁ ତୋ କଥା ମାନିକରି ମୋର ଆଖି ବନ୍ଦ କରି ଗାଇଲେ ଖୋଲିଲେ ନାହିଁ. Jackal wept and ତାପରେ ହଉଛି jackal ଟା wept. W-E-P ବୋଲେ W-E-P means okay, one type of crying. Okay, and the past tense is W-E-P wept. Past wept Amdina. Okay, and said, I am grateful to believe what you said. Viswas story that I believed you, and that I believed you was your lies. For opening my mouth, I feel very repented. Repent to Prakash. Students, here also some comprehensive questions are there. Was the jackal happy with what the rooster said? Was the jackal happy with what the rooster said? It will be okay. How many questions are there? 1 to 10 questions are there. How did the rooster do when the jackal opens its mouth? How did the rooster do? Then the rooster flew off. The rooster flew off when the jackal opens its mouth. And what did the rooster do sitting on the branch of a tree? Sitting on the branch of a tree. Okay. Sitting on the branch of the tree, the rooster again started singing. Say out the Vaila. And what was the mistake of the rooster? The mistake of the rooster was that he easily believed the jackal. In this way, okay, we have completed we have done some of the comprehension questions, and the rest comprehension questions will be done by my dear students. Now next come to MCQ question. Yes, you see, choose the correct answer. Okay, the rooster was. Option D will be appropriate because the rooster was big, handsome, with a crown. It will be D. The rooster wanted to make this song louder also, better also, or clearer also. So option A will be right here, B, C and D. And the jackal called the rooster. The jackal called the rooster. Jackal पहला rooster के great बने कहला, handsome बने कहला, king like कहला. So option D will be right here. All of A, B and C. And who chased after the jackal? The owner अच्छी, the neighbor of the owner अच्छे. अपने his wife and son से हमें जाने से समस्त स्थापन करने को मिले. So all of them होगा. The rooster said to the jackal, which is over the answers to this question also. His owner was a miser, and his owner loved him. And you see, his owner never gave him anything to it. It will be here, the appropriate option will be B. A will be right and D will be right. So option B is the right answer. So dear students, guess who said what? Draw lines, one is done for you. Rooster. You see, rooster and jackal. So some of the conversations, okay, some of the conversations were made by the rooster, and some of also the conversations were made by the jackal. Oh, great handsome king like, who said? This is over it has been said by the jackal. Okay. What a great feeling it has been expressed by the rooster. In this way, you have to match who and what. Then, dear students, okay, Now, session 6, vocabulary. You have to practice writing some difficult words like beautiful, handsome, stolen, never, believe, instead, repent. B words number. You see, ERE will be color, ID there. GIB will be size. It refers to a size, means BIGB. Begin the size. Here, YRD begins with T, it will be TRY. YEEYER, body count. Okay, then YAD is there, opposite of night. Opposite of night, it will be day, DAY day. Then it is YAS. It will be say Y say, LYF. It will be in brackets you can find cock can't, but jackal. Cock can't, but jackal can't. Jackal why fly? In this way, you have to all the activities. Now, dear students, number 6 uses is very important for you. Very important for you. Dear students, combine two sentences into one. One is done for you. The rooster sang. It closed its eyes. There are two sentences. The rooster sang. It closed its eyes. How can you combine means? How can you join the two sentences? How can you join the two sentences into one? The rooster sang, it closed its eyes. The rooster sang, closing its eyes. The rooster sang, closing, CLOSING, closing its eyes. So the answer will be like this. The rooster, the second number, the rooster sang, it sat on a tree. The rooster sang, sitting on a tree. Rakesh took tea. He sat on a chair. But what would it be if you combine the two sentences? Rakesh took tea, sitting on a chair. Ravi went home. He rode on a bicycle. What would be its answer? Its answer will be, if you are joining the two sentences, it will be Ravi went home riding on a bicycle. The cat caught the rat, climbed up the tree. The cat caught the rat, climbing up the tree. The jackal ran. It caught the rooster by its neck. The jackal ran, catching the rooster by its neck. Yes, students, session 7 also some writing. It is task. Task is given to you. What is the story about? How did the jackal ask the rooster to do? What did the jackal ask the rooster to do? The jackal actually asked the rooster to sing by closing its eyes in this way. I know so far you have understood the chapter better, so you can do it. You can do it better. So, dear students, we have completed the second chapter of your class 7 English book, and I think you will practice at home. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe.